Yay, great!
I want to get 100.
Where's Matt?
Hold on, it's coming, it's coming. Okay.
How do you say nothing?
Language class. Language.
Okay.
Hebrew.
Oh no, this is
Okay, here's English.
How much do you get?
I'm good at reading.
Okay.
I'm really good at reading. I understand it really good. I get it.
You what?
I get it.
you write it and you understand it.
She does not write.
That's what it says here.
Does the teacher write?
The writing is less.
Okay.
There.
Very good.
Math. I was supposed to get 100 until my another teacher came.
Oh.
Until another teacher came and went.
So what did you get now?
So 99?
Math. This is when you run away. Shvarim is how do you say shvarim?
Fractions.
It's good.
How much did you get?
70s and 80s.
Did you get one
Percentages.
60s and 70s.
For what? What was that?
Yachas I'm really good. I don't know what it is, but Yachas I'm sholatet היטב, but they said I'm
Ratios.
Ratio.
I'm supposed to be really good. I'm supposed to be really good, but the teacher somehow said I was bad.
What is the ratio?
What's the teacher's address?
Yeah.
What's the ratio is?
What's the ratio for boys to girls' eyes?
Wait. How many boys are in this room? 1, 2, 3.
Continue. Next. I have something to say after.
How do you say this up?
Like shapes and
No, geometry.
Geometry, almost good.
Almost good. And how much is that?
Algebra, geometry.
Science.
Geometry, elementary.
50s to 60s.
How did they learn geometry?
Okay,
Elementary.
sport.
What about geography?
Geometry this year.
Okay.
Sport. Oh, almost good. But I was good. She did
Almost
the teacher did for everybody almost good. And my best friend, she's best in class, she did almost good. So that's not right.
What does almost good mean?
Almost coordinated.
It's like
It means nearly tripped walking into class.
drama.
Right, almost tripped.
Today was jump.
Not like Debbie.
No, we are good in class.
Is that it?
No, drama, I'm good.
Oh, of course. You deserved a very good drama.
Yeah.
In art, I got, let me see what it says.
Almost.
Yay!
That's subjective.
89.
Wow.
Are you filming me? Why?
Okay, where are we?
They're all videos.
Okay, where are we?
We are leaving Montfort,
Montfort.
Castle area.
Yeah. And you know what? I'm getting. You know what? I was more thirsty when I was in Italy. When I was walking than here. Like my mouth is not dry at all. And I walked like over 2.5 hours without water, without food. I'm so proud of myself. Am I so full of myself or what? Look at my nephew, he's so beautiful, eh? Such a good looking kid. With all the rest. There, baby. On. There's my daughter, Ahava. Which is my Layla, Ahava. And there is Tikva, Hope, my Ariel. And there is, who's that again? Sivan, my baby, beautiful girl. And of course, there's me. And what do they say about me?
You're annoying.
I'm annoying. Hey, but listen, I did well. No water. No water. Listen,
It's not a good
no
thing.
water.
You're gonna be dehydrated
That's
and-
terrible for you.
That's terrible for me. But I got energy. Until
No, you didn't get energy. You got less energy. You could have
Okay.
got more energy by drinking water.
Water. Say it again. Say how you say water.
No!
Water.
You're just making fun of me right now.
No, I'm not making fun of it. I'm enjoying it. I like the way you say it. Okay, bye guys. Bye.
My way. Oh, by the shawarma. And that was...
You're talking about Naria's?
Okay, as you can see, I'm going through some crazy trail. It's about maybe a mile and a half trail. So, oh, it's true. We're going to, I guess I'm going to be taking a break soon. So, as you know, we are in Israel. For those of you who haven't experienced it yet, it is beautiful here. It's amazing. I don't know what else to say. I wish you all here with us in this beautiful land. Italy is beautiful. Israel is beautiful. They're both amazing places. Here, as you can see behind me, is a little river. At least part of, if I remember correctly, part of the Jordan River. So, okay, I guess I'm going to turn up the camera soon. There's so many beautiful sights to see here. I mean, these rocks. Look at these rocks. Look at that. Water. Okay, I wish I could show you more, but I don't think I have enough memory for everything, so I'll let you go. And all of you guys out there, girls and guys, enjoy yourself. Bye. Hello. Can you go? So, okay, this is the city of Dan. If you know the story with the 12 tribes, so this is one of the home which was on the kingdom of Israel. I don't know if you can all have a good look what's going. I mean, I took some photos with my son's camera, so maybe that would help you. And I'm going to go to the map just to give you an idea when back in the ancient time, as you can see right here. My finger pointing at it, yeah, right here. See, that was the kingdom of Judah, this is the kingdom of Israel, and this is where Dan is, right on top of here. As you can tell, with the 12 tribes were here, and this was one of the tribes. Actually, 11 tribes here and one here. So, give you an idea. You can see. Spiritually, I'm trying to connect myself with the universal consciousness. Call it whatever you want to. Sometimes I do question the question of the one God. That was written in the Bible. I question it sometimes, just as any gods. So, but then you know what? Whatever is true is true. I mean, the Jewish people have survived so long, which is always going to be a miracle. But spiritually, as you know, I'm more into the spiritual movement more than anything else. But the closest thing to it is Jewish belief. A lot of it that they teach is everything that I always knew as a child, that I consciously or spiritually felt the connection to. And that's probably one of the most closest, I wouldn't say religion, but people that have that connection. Other than anybody, not everybody knows everything with their history, but you know, it feels like I've been here before. I mean, not this spot here, but the certain spot that I went to since I got here. I was getting brief connection of past lives. So, again, I'll repeat it. Here, I never was. This is probably my first time in any live that I've ever been on this section. So, I'm about to get off and walk through another area in Israel. That's about it. May you all be in peace and love. That's about it. beautiful, eh? Okay, my friends. From 1 King 12:32-33. Here, I'll show it to you directly so you can see it. As I said, they're about paying a fast, and he offered upon the altar, sacrificing unto the calf, and ordaining a feast upon the children of Israel. And he offered upon the altar and burned incense. I don't know if you can get a good view of it or not. So I'm going to bring you just so you can have a general idea exactly what the possibility of them doing it here. As you can see, yeah, we are still in Dan. Mentioned that. So it is a very huge kingdom. Maybe not as big as Jerusalem's kingdom, but you can see right here. This would be an idea where they used to do the offering. So a lot of people, some people think it was cruel what they did, but you have to understand back then, they didn't eat meat like we do today. Like we eat like in abundance. Theirs in those times only on special occasions. So when they used to sacrifice the animal to, you know, the universe, to life, they would eat it, and they made sure that they made enough for the whole population to be able to enjoy it. Again, they didn't eat it on a daily basis. So that's it. May you be in peace and love. Okay, recording back on. Okay, so far, I believe an hour and a half, maybe a little longer than that, I've gone walking, trail walking, and rarely, actually, didn't drink any water at all, period. So a lot of people think I'm nuts, they think I'm crazy. This is my little nephew, Gabrielle. A lot of people think I'm nuts and crazy for doing it, except I gotta follow my own path, which means I can't worry about what other people think, the path they want, thinking that you're gonna die, you're gonna go out for water, for food. I'm not doing this for the whole day, I'm just doing this, you know, just doing it for myself from certain messages I got. You wanna call it spiritually, call it whatever. So, does it matter? No. Because when the day that I die, I want no regrets in my life. I want to know that I've done everything I want to do because I felt it was right, and because whatever connection I got, it's for those reasons. So, that's it. Anyways, I'll keep you all tuned, and that's about it. Have a good day. Bye. Wow, Aaron, I'm telling you, you dry in about 2 minutes. It's really worth it. Whoa,
Careful, Gabrielle. Gabrielle, we told you no.
The steps.
Yeah, it's moving. I don't know if that you're blocking it.
Gabrielle, you can sit and I'll sit.
Whoa, you guys.
Because we're taller.
So
we won't slip. Just. Gabrielle, you really want to go in? Really? Alright, take off your shirt pants. Quick, Gabrielle.
Dead fish.
What are you guys doing? Swimming. Gabrielle, quick. If you want to go, it's now.
Yeah, I just do like Aaron.
No, I'm telling you, it's too high for you. Take off your pants. Are you wearing white boxers? Oh, you're wearing Batman.
What are you talking about? Gabrielle?
Yeah, so do this.
Okay, but be careful, okay? Come on, slippery.
Even if you slip, relax.
And then we have the one.
Oops. Slippery over there. Slide down the rock. I got you. Now go where the Aaron is. There you go. Now
Careful, Gabrielle.
If you want, you can lie down.
I accidentally just like filmed a section of Aaron's crotch. That was awkward.
But Chava, don't come down here because it's
Ariel, can you take a picture of you guys?